Last video we saw that we were almost done with the equals part. So right now we are writing code for the x bar 3. So simply take result equals 1 and run a loop from 1 to 3 and calculate the value and just put it here. Okay, so similar thing we can do for control C, yeah, design for x bar 2. Okay, so here we can go to x bar 2 and simply we can write the code here, and less than 3 it was here, so we'll do x bar less than 2. Okay, so it will be less than equals to 2. Okay, and for here also it will be less than equals to 3. Okay, so now I think it's done. Let's run our calculator and see how it's working. So 2 to the power 2 equals, wait a minute, okay, here, yeah, now let's, okay, we need to make some more buttons. I forgot about the clear button, so let's find a clear button. Hope you guys are clear with whatever I have taught you in this video. If any doubt you will be having, then you can ask me in the comment section itself. Okay, so let's go with the clear button. So here what we'll be doing, so nothing much, we need to just set the field to null. Okay, so dot set text. Okay, and this one will be, sorry, this one will be null. Okay, so we can now run the project. Okay, yeah, so here it is, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so you can see that the calculator is functioning very nicely. All right, so let's clear this. If I want to find factorial of 3, you can see 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it's 120, and the clear function is also working perfectly. So what we need to do right now is just that we need to fix this on and off function. Okay, so for that we need to go to the top. Okay, then this was the thing I did it in the between. I'll be removing it and I'll be guiding you guys how to do it again. Okay, so first of all what we'll be doing is that we'll be writing this JRadio button 1 dot set enabled equal to false, cause we want our calculator to be off in the beginning itself. Okay, so we'll be putting it false, and then we'll be this is done the before itself, so then we'll be creating a new function, and that function will be public void enable. Okay, and we'll be writing first j text field 1 dot set enabled to false. Okay, and the second one will be creating public void disable. Okay, so here we'll be getting j text field 1 dot set enabled to true, sorry, to false. Okay, so the later we'll be clicking j radio button 1 dot set enabled to true. Okay, and just copy this line, just paste this below and write here j radio button 2 set enable to false. Okay, similarly copy these both lines and paste it here. In the first one it will be false here, and in the second one it will be true here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to enable all our buttons. Okay, so that whenever the on button is clicked, we'll be enabling all the buttons. So J button 1 dot set enabled true. Okay, so we need to just copy it. Sorry for the interruption. We need to just copy it, and we need to just paste it for all the buttons. Okay, so just copy it, control C, control V, control V, and then last 4 buttons, control V. Okay, so do it for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6, for 7, for 8, for 9, for 10, for 11, for 12, for 13th button, for 14th button, for 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, 31 is not there. 32, 33 button, uh, 34 and 35th. Alright, similarly in the disable part, copy this all at once. Okay, control C, and here do it to false. Means to false means all the true. We'll be changing all the true to false. So let's do this one by one to all the buttons. FALSE, false. Yeah, just copy this text and paste here in all. Control C, control V, control V, control V, control V, control V. This copy paste sometimes it's really boring. So this is the last step of our calculator, as we have added the backend part for all the videos. We have done with our front end part. Okay, so just a few more buttons to go, and then we'll be done with this project. Yeah, so we are done. Okay, so now let's run the project. All right, actually it's already running in the background, so I need to first close it, close this one. Now run this one, and okay, you can see that if we click on off, then it's off. And wait a second, there's some issue here, some issue is encountered. Let's solve this one in the next video, and I'll be there back.